Hello everybody, I'm Storm here. Welcome back to Dyson Sphere Program. In the last episode, we worked on more of these very large construction and manufacturing projects. Well, very large compared to what we've done to this particular point. Making our processors over there and making our particle broadband here. And so that is all running. We got that all stored. And it is ready to go, so we now need to begin using these to make our research matrices. The purple ones. Right, those. Information matrix. So, I figured that we want to make 5 per second, give or take, because I think we can. With what we've got. One of the issues that I identified as I was watching all this work off screen is that we are not making anywhere near enough high purity silicon to feed this beast at the rate at which it's going to run. So that is something I might need to look into potentially resolving at some point. We may not be able to yet. That may not get resolved until we have other star systems in the network and that sort of thing going. So, which is kind of like a project that's coming up soon, very soon. Getting out of this star system and getting a new one set up and working. So that is kind of where we're heading here. But what we need to do now is we need to place some research centers or facilities and get these inputs turned into matrices, and we're going to be doing that over here. So, I manufactured 50 labs, so those are ready to go, and so we can do that 10 long and 5 high. At least I think we can place 5 high. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we can do 5 high. So if we were to do that, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna have to do some landfill. 7. Yep. But we're good to go for that. Eight, 9, 10. Just double check my math. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Indeed. There we go. Now we're going to be producing that and that entire stack. Yes, okay, good. Well, we should probably be copy pasting. There we go. All right. So we have 2 inputs. I'm going to use green belts for those, I think. We're going to need probably a lot more than that. $10 per second and 5 per second. Yes. Okay. Probably need to pick up some more sorters too. Probably should have done that off screen, but that's okay. And then outputs are going to be going in this direction. They're going to follow that line of red matrices. For the most part. Can I sneak? Yeah, I can actually. I can sneak some power poles in between. Huh, that's awfully convenient. Alright, well, let me go grab some more sorters and belts. And then we'll get this up and running. I need a whole bunch of those. That's fine. Well, it's actually taller than I fly. Oh, then, how high I fly. Well, I think I can actually, elevate and that sort of thing. Alright, so we need that, and we need that to go over there. Okay. So, let's do this. Up. Want to clear over top of the coal deposit. Come through there. All right, and then for this, let's see, where are we going? We're going over there. All right, and for this, we are going to go like that. Yes. All right, and so then you're going to kind of, then we're just going to stay at this this elevation here for the time being. Yes. Can't really see how it lines up. I could just do an angled run. No, we'll keep it like this. Oh, it brought it down. That's all right. Does just mean we're gonna have to go up and come back down. I probably would use less belt if I were to do it angled. The thing is, can that actually feed fast enough? Actually, you know what? Let me upgrade those. Just to make sure that we can feed properly and get the entire stack operating where it needs to be. All right, now I do want to put this in a box. I do like to have a buffer. And we're gonna have it follow this. But actually, I think I need to hop over. Do I need to hop over? Actually, let's get it to this point. And then we'll bring it up one. Over there. Back down to the surface. There. And I'm actually going to bring it through on this side. To there. You want to make sure that you get there. All right, now that is going to put a load in, a strain on. The power production here. And it's also going to strain the silicon production that we have. All right. But we are now making these, which means we can queue in research. Right, so it's been a little while since we've been able to get some research going, so what do we want to do? Wave function interference. Planetary ionosphere utilization. No, we can't do that yet. Vertical launching site. Dyson Sphere components. Okay. I don't think we really need to worry about that just yet. What I really need is upgrades, right? One thing, veins utilization. Let's get that going. Logistics carrier capacity, that'd be nice. Vertical construction, not really that necessary. Research speed. That would be good. Plus 6 times per second per lab research speed. I don't think that's really that necessary right now. Able to view the vein resources and planetary systems within 6 light years. I mean, that's fine. Mecha core. Yeah, we're going to need the improved mecha core. And then that should allow me... Unlocks mecha warp. Because I think we need the improved core to do that. Which is why I haven't unlocked that yet. And once we get the ability to mecha warp, then we can start heading to other star systems. Now, the next thing we're going to need to start working on is space warpers. Now, we don't have green research blocks, so we can't turn green research blocks into warpers at the moment. So we don't have them. So we're going to need to use the other method, which is to turn graviton lenses into warpers. Graviton lenses require diamonds, right? And they require strange matter. Strange matter requires deuterium, iron, okay, and particle containers. We have 2 options for making particle containers. A resource we don't have. Don't know what that is. And these that have graphene, copper, and these guys, which are just iron magnets, that sort of thing. Alright, so that is what we're going to do. We're going to need diamonds. Now, the thing is that all of the coal on this planet is being exploited. So, I don't think I really have an opportunity to make diamonds here, but Mintaka 4 has coal, and so we can make diamonds there. That shouldn't be an issue. And then we'll need to look into, well, deuterium. I have a source of deuterium. Thing is, let's see, you have an open slot. I don't think you do. No, you don't. But I could feed deuterium into there and say, you know, you can send deuterium where it needs to go. I don't think we're going to be making the warpers here. I think we're going to make them on Mintaka 4. So that's what we're going to do. Alright. Let's pull the deuterium out of here. All right. That is the wrong item. That is the wrong place to put that. That needs to go in there. Then you can say deuterium is going to be local supply and remote supply. Yep, we are way down on satisfaction. In terms of power, that is a problem. Which means we basically need to double the power generation on this planet. All right. That's going to be a bigger issue that we're going to need to deal with right away. Because of how critical this particular planet is to everything that we're doing right now. What I have is solar panels. We don't have a Dyson swarm up, so I can't do transmitted energy from a Dyson swarm. I haven't started any construction of one of those yet. You are going to be in the way. I'll get all this filled in. And yes, you are going to be in the way. Not even sure that that is necessary anymore. I think power is transmitting via other means at this point. I may need to circumscribe this planet with solar panels. So I think that this planet is probably done for what it's going to do. There's really nothing left that we can do here as far as new construction. So the next major goal is to get those warpers built and then get ourselves to another star system so that we can start figuring out what we've got and begin building a larger scale, more comprehensive set of manufacturing processes that will serve for further expansion. Alright, so that will reduce how much ore it takes to make what we need to make. Oh, and you got placed in a bad spot. There we go. One of the other things we could do is start putting in wind turbines as well. I mean, they don't produce very much, but they do help. I should have a pile of them somewhere, because I did set up a manufacturing process to make them. There they are. Oh, you're not placed right. Because there is a way to line this up. It's helped. But we're still not there. Alright, well, what I might do is just end this episode here a little bit early, and I'm going to have to work off screen to resolve these power issues and get ready for the next phase that we're going to be working on. So yeah, we'll go ahead and stop here for today. So for now, hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you next time.